Hey everybody, the Wizard of Wood, Everett Abrams here. And if you saw one of our previous videos, we just cleaned this deck. The wood came back real nice. It was a fairly new deck. They thought, let it season. And it was not good wood. It wasn't prime, kiln dried wood. So it's kind of on the lower end of the PT scale, we'll say. Anyway, the wood came back real nice. But the thing of it is, when we go to stain a deck, one of the things we want to do is we want to start on the outside and work our bottom up, because if you drip, then the drip goes down onto the stain, and when it does go onto something that's previously stained, it's easy to brush it out. However, if you drip and the drip goes onto the dry wood, that's your first coat. So if you put 2 coats on this, any drip would be a 3rd coat. So what we do is we use a canvas tarp and we put that under the rails, because like I said, we do the lattice first, then we come up to the outside of the railings. The outside of the railings, we don't want to drip onto the deck boards. Now you could do the deck boards if they go along the bottom and they kind of drip down there. You could do the first couple boards first and then do it, or you could put a canvas tarp, because that'll absorb the stain. You can put any kind of tarp, just as long as something is not letting it get to the wood. And in most cases you can't wet it, because water is a barrier as well, but that doesn't work when it comes to this stuff. So what we want to do is make sure we put a canvas tarp out. It grabs that first coat, so we don't have drip marks or spots as an end result. The customer notices these things. This is the little things. This is the things that makes the difference between the professional service that you're going to offer and what some of the other contractors do. The key to exterior wood restoration, of course, is to be different. Don't be just like anybody. This adds a different level of professionalism, is always taking care of your drip marks. Work from the bottom up. Okay, so if we drip down here, we can always just brush it out, because stains and sealers repel themselves. And then same thing up here. If it drips, we can just you could get it by the tarp, or if we did it the first couple boards, we could just brush it out as it drips on that. But it prevents all the spots. Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for watching. Hope this was a good tip for you.